Katie and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If so, you can subscribe. The button is always down below. Post beauty, lifestyle, panning, and more. And first off, happy 2024. This is the first video I'm actually filming in 2024. I've been doing a little bit of catch up with my videos to get back on track. So I really haven't filmed anything in 2024 yet, or I haven't really posted anything that I filmed in 2024 yet. It all sounds jumbled, but yeah, welcome to 2024. It's crazy we're here. Like, I literally can't fathom that we're in 2024. Like, my brain is still like low-key in 2023, but also kind of in 2022. I don't know why, but it just feels that way. I feel like my mind the past couple months have been jumbled just with the holidays and everything like that. But yeah, we're starting off 2024 with a panning video, but we're starting off 2024 with my rolling project pan for this year, which I'm very excited about. It didn't seem like I took off time off panning, but I did sort of. I kind of disconnected from my projects towards like the last couple months of the year. Honestly, you guys know, I don't know what was wrong with me, but like after February, I had a hard time like filming, editing, and uploading. So I'm hoping to get back on track, but I'm very excited to be doing this. That was a very long spiel, but let's just get into the video. And I guess at the end, I'll talk about the projects that you guys can see coming from me and just what's happening, I guess. So yes, this is my rolling project pan for 2024. I've done versions of this video every single year since 2018. I started panning in 2017, but started like doing like rolling projects like this in 2018. So yeah, like I mentioned, it is a rolling style project pan. My goals with this is I'm gonna have like 5 to 6 products in this project. I think that for the intro I rolled in 5 products. It's gonna be mostly like use ups for this project. There's gonna be some projects where I'm gonna have number goals and stuff, but for the most part for this project I will have mostly use up goals, because my makeup is a little crazy right now. I have lots of things in my collection, so I just kind of want to roll through those things, if that makes sense, and that kind of stuff. So yes, this will be a rolling. So once I roll something out, obviously I'll roll something in, hence rolling project. And I'm gonna have like different kind of things in this. Like I'll have lotions, I'll have powders, I'll have skincare products. I want to kind of have hair care and skincare products also in this project, just because I feel like I don't always pan those in my projects. So I kind of want to keep those in to keep it fresh, and just so I can roll through those things as well, because I know there's certain categories of just my full life collection that are kind of mumble jumbled, a little chaotic, I guess you could put it. So yeah, let's just stop rambling and get to the products I'm gonna be panning. Okay, so the first thing I put in here is this John Frieda Frizz Ease leave-in conditioner. So my goal with this is to use it up. There's not too much left in there. Like if I had to guess, it would be down here. I'm obviously not going to, even if I shine a flashlight on this, be able to tell you guys where it's at. So I'll track this based on how many times I use this. I think it's only gonna take me like 5-ish times, maybe 10 times to get this used up. So I think this will be fairly easy, but I still wanted to add this in just because I want to be able to roll through things. So that's kind of my reasoning with that. And yeah, that we're gonna use her up, see how long it takes us. And I'm also going to be adding in a moisturizer. This is the Yenza moisturizer. There's a lot of air in this right now, but I actually think it's down lower than I think. There's a ton of air in there, but I'm thinking it's like right here. It's hard to kind of tell, and I don't want to squeeze any product out. I think it's at about right here, so I will mark it after this video, and we will see. But yeah, we're gonna use this up. I have a lot of moisturizers right now, so I want to roll through them. So I also added this in. This was in one of my other projects. Was it Deck of Panning? I can't quite remember which one I added this in. It was at the end of a project. I do remember that. This is the ColourPop Luxe Gloss. You literally can't tell because literally all the lettering has rubbed off. This is in the shade Renaissance. I do love this gloss. It's very beautiful. It's like a nudie gloss, a nude gloss. We love it. And I think the gloss is about right here. I will mark it and stuff, but I think this will be also like a quick and easy get in, get out. I think it'll only take me a few months to pan this, but I really want to pan this just because I've had it a long time and it's just time. It doesn't smell bad, but we want to use it up before it gets there. And I'm going to be panning through so many glosses this year. I never actually got the chance to do a planning to pan at the end of 2023, but let me just say, I will be panning so many glosses. And then I also want to use up, this is brand new. This is like a sample deluxe size of the NYX matte finishing spray. I believe I panned one of these in one of my projects last year as well. It is black packaging, so I won't be able to like track the progress, but we'll see how many usages it'll take me to get this out of my collection. I really want to use this just because I don't love matte things. Like, I like a setting powder to be matte so I can lightly set my face, but I'm more of a glowy girl, as you can see. So we want to use this up, especially since I have other setting sprays I like a lot more than that one. And then lastly, I am going to have a lotion in here. The lotion I want to pan is the Snow Fairy Body Lotion. This apparently is going to expire January 29th, 24. I don't know. I think it might be good to 2029. I read it like multiple times. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that because the camera never wants to focus. I can't tell if that means like January 29th or January 2024. Either way, I should use this up, especially since like I sort of feel like it's getting close to its date because the pink is literally bleeding. So I want to pan. This is the Lush Snow Fairy Body Lotion. Also, my reasoning for panning this is I just don't love the scent. It is a quite strong scent. It's very sweet. And I don't mind sweet scents. Like, I do like vanilla and stuff like that. But I like cotton candy as the bath bomb, but not necessarily as the lotion, if that makes sense. I also have the body spray, so we'll definitely have to put that in a project, you know, one of these days. But yeah, we're gonna pan this. I didn't end up adding a powder into this project. I just didn't know which one I wanted to pan and stuff, and I have one in one of my other projects, so maybe I'll wait until that's out before I think about panning something like that. But yeah, this is gonna be it for my roll-in project pan. And this is all the things I'm going to be panning. Let me know what you guys are panning this year. I'd love to hear about it. Are there like any influxes in your collection that you would like, that you want to pan? Definitely have lots of panning videos coming. I'm going to be participating in a few projects. I think last year I just overwhelmed myself with projects. So I'm trying not to do too many. I'm really trying, but sometimes they just come, like, especially if you are in the Fantastic Ladies project Facebook group. It is so hard not to participate in their projects because they just come up with the most, like, there's so many projects in that group that are just so freaking good. Like, it makes you so excited about panning. So it's so hard to like be like, don't do it. But you know, we're getting better. We're trying. So I'm going to be participating obviously in this project, just my own project. I'm going to be doing Partners in Cream, which I'm hoping to get that video up after this one. I'm actually going to film it after this one. Deck of Panning, I'm using that as like a Shop My Stash. And then I'm going to be doing my Pan Those Shadows. I haven't filmed that video yet. Well, obviously this is the first video I'm filming of 2024, like I said. I haven't filmed that video yet, but that might be honestly a later in January upload, just because I haven't decided how I want to structure it. I've kind of in my head rolled through a few ideas that I want to do. I'm not sure like what I'll end up doing, if that makes sense. Like, so that's, oh, and then I'm also in Cats and Dogs, which I've already been in since October of this past year, and I did it the year before. So yeah, that might be a little crazy of me, but that's what I want to participate in and what I want to do. I'm not overwhelming myself too much, but I enjoy all these projects, so these are the ones I'm going to be doing this year. And of course, if I think it's too much, I can always scale it back in the future. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss another upload, especially with all this panning going on. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.